In this digital age, the combination of AI tools and online platforms provides exciting opportunities for individuals to generate income. In this video, we'll explore how you can leverage the power of Chat GPT and YouTube to create engaging content, build an audience, and monetize your efforts. Welcome to our video on how to use Chat GPT and YouTube to earn money. Chat GPT, powered by advanced natural language processing algorithms, allows you to create intelligent chatbots. These chatbots can understand and respond to user queries, making them valuable assets for customer support, engagement, and even entertainment purposes. To get started with Chat GPT, you need to sign up for an API key or use an AI platform that supports it. Then, you can develop your chatbot by training it with specific conversational data and guiding it through interactive sessions to improve its responses. The key is to create a chatbot that provides value to users by offering relevant information, solving problems, or engaging in interesting conversations. Now, let's explore how YouTube can be used to monetize your content and generate income. With over 2 billion monthly active users, YouTube provides an immense audience and a platform to showcase your talent, expertise, or creativity. To start earning money on YouTube, you need to create a YouTube channel and consistently upload high-quality videos that resonate with your target audience. It's important to find your niche and create content that is unique, informative, or entertaining. To maximize your reach and visibility, optimize your videos using relevant keywords in titles, descriptions, and tags. This will help your content appear in search results and recommendations. Additionally, engage with your audience through comments, collaborations, and community interactions to build a loyal following. Once you've established your channel and gained a substantial number of subscribers and watch hours, you can monetize your YouTube content through various methods. The YouTube Partner Program allows you to earn money through advertisements displayed on your videos. You'll receive a portion of the revenue generated by ads shown before, during, or alongside your content. To qualify for the program, your channel needs to meet specific criteria, including a minimum number of subscribers and watch hours. In addition to ad revenue, you can explore other income streams on YouTube. These include brand sponsorships, merchandise sales, fan funding, and even hosting online courses or workshops related to your content niche. It's crucial to continuously analyze your YouTube analytics to understand your audience's preferences, track video performance, and optimize your content strategy. This will help you tailor your videos to better meet your viewers' needs, improve engagement, and ultimately increase your earning potential. By combining the power of ChatGPT's intelligent chatbots and YouTube's vast audience, you can create valuable content, engage with your viewers, and earn money online. Remember, consistency, quality, and audience interaction are key to success in both realms. Thank you for watching our video. If you found it helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more valuable content. And as always, stay curious and keep exploring.